मीटिंग घेतली तुम्ही
आज वेगवेगळे म्हणजे चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स परत आपले GSI आणि बाकी सगळे जण म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीज रिलेटेड फिल्डातल्या गोंयांतले सगळे एसोसिएशन आयच्या मिटिंगेक आशिल्ले डिफरंट इश्यूज म्हणजे आमी जशे हाजे इश्यू आशिल्ले आमचो GSTचो इश्यू आणि तांचे वेगवेगळे इश्यूज आशिल्ले ताजेर आमी डिस्कशन्स केला वी आर कमिंग टू द सोल्युशन्स गव्हर्मेंट इज रेडी टू हेल्प म्हणजे ऑटोमोबाईल इंडस्ट्रीचे ज्या पद्दतीन आज तांकां बऱ्यापैकी 50% रोड टॅक्स रिड्यूस करून तांकां मदत केल्ली आसा रेस्ट ऑल इंडस्ट्रीजूय आमची मदत करपाची गरज आसा तेंच्यांनी काही सजेशन्स दिल्या आय थिंक दे वील एक्सप्लेन यू इन डिटेल्स for me meeting is there Mavin is also there they'll explain otherwise okay in detail and panchakalyan gaya but all 5 to 6 associations were there and all the people have given the good suggestions definitely will come to the conclusion
revenue generation additional revenue
of course it is for the additional revenue generation काही revenue GSTs काही प्रमाणात जो टॅप जातालो किंवा काही प्रमाणात लोक भरी नाशिल्ले फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन टुरिझम इंडस्ट्रीज देर आर अनरजिस्टर्ड hotels are there the TTE has already given us the list and all those things so that we need to take that revenue to consider that revenue for the states
additional new revenue generation tap
तांच्यांनी काही सजेशन्स दिल्या हाजेर आमी वर्किंग करता
Okay, today we had a very productive and a positive interaction with the Honorable Chief Minister. As you can see, all the associations got together and Chief Minister wanted to have this meeting with the industry associations. The basic agenda was what can the state do to improve our ease of doing business and as to how to increase the sentiment so that our businesses grow, one. And second, what can we do in turn to see that the state's revenues go up. So we have given on behalf of industry, on behalf of the tourism industry or the real estate or the small industries, manufacturers, we have given different suggestions to the Chief Minister which he has considered very positively. One decision he has already taken as far as the automobile dealers are concerned by reducing the road tax 50%. On behalf of the real estate, we have given a suggestion to do tinkering with, we will not talk about figures because let it come from the government, but we have requested for tinkering with a reduction of stamp duty and registration charges so that which will help
deferment of infrastructure.
And infrastructure tax which is paid at the time of the license given time for payment at a time of occupancy. So there are some suggestions which are given. On behalf of the tourism industry, we have informed or we have requested the government to be very strict and firm on the unorganized sector because of which the organized sector is losing revenues, losing business and the state is losing revenues. Then there was a suggestion which has come from the GSI that government should empanel Goan industries so that whatever government purchases are happening as used to happen in the past, what the government works, whether it is furniture or XYZ, whatever items, let it be purchased from the vendors and the manufacturers in Goa, which will boost the Goan industry in a whole. So it was a very good two ways discussion. The finance secretary was there, the GST commissioner, state commissioner was there, and CM was very positively, CM has taken this feedback from us and assured us that he will work on it and try to give relief to us so that we in turn can help boost the sentiments in the market and increase the revenue for the government.
आमकां स्टॅम्प ड्युटी आणि रजिस्ट्रेशन फीन रिलॅक्सेशन दियात आणि पॉवर ऑफ अटर्नीज बी जे एकदम टॉप मोस्ट ब्रॅकेटान पडटा ते मातशें रिलीफ दिया CM has said that he will look into it favorably. There is also the question of infrastructure tax which is paid in advance now. So that also we have suggested to him to take it at the time of occupancy so that we get a longer time to pay for it.
And this task force is for unorganized
Task force is going to be formed by the government. No, it is for task force is formed by the government to tackle this unorganized business which is happening in the tourism industry. Only in the tourism industry, and the task force will consist of panchayat, health, fire, GST, cyber cell. Of this, because what is happening, all these bookings are happening on internet, and the government is not getting any revenue and they are competing with us, the organized sector.